Alright, this is Florian's video, and I'm going to do the raw material thing first. The thing I think about usually on this is starting from the 4th string. The tonic is like at the 2nd fret A for this song, and then, but the whole pattern runs. I think of the main pattern is 0, 2, 5 on the 4th string, then same thing on the 3rd string. And then 0, 3, 5 on the top 2 strings. So low 2nd. So now I'll add the blues note to it. That's a low first to the high first. Same thing with E flat or D sharp right here. So you're just adding the extra flat 5 notes. So low third, then low first, and 7. When this is like a 7 chord like that, a lot of it. So we have the licks that we did where here's one sliding up, which is a common little blues lick. Like I said, the flat 5 is mostly used for passing tones because it sounds pretty strange when you sit on it. Not that you can't do that, but so. And then we had the top one that we did, which is 0, 3, 5, like E, G, A. And then we had one that went so that's A, G, E, E flat, high 3rd, G, low 3rd, sorry, and C, A, G, A. I'll do it slowly. Working on these licks, for now we're going to land on the tonic at the end, which makes it kind of defined what key it's in. And let's see, I think that's it. So because lands on that high A, and this one lands on the middle A. And then this one lands on the low A.